What's up, everybody? It is Wednesday. I got an Infiniti clear rod bumper today. Yeah, I just got to get them to put it inside somewhere I can work on. And yeah, stay tuned. I'll show you. The Infiniti is done. I ordered a kit from Xpel because it goes on a lot faster to have a kit than to cut it on the car, as many installers know. That is an older Infiniti 2011 Infiniti M37S, which is sport. Has a sport bumper on it. Went on really good. Those older kits don't go all the way to the edge. They go on good. It's just not like today's kits, how they're made. They're made really, really precise today on newer cars. Nonetheless, it worked out really good. It looks really good. Can't see it.